Welcome back. It's DMZ TV. My name is Dutch. And next to me is my neighbor, my co-host, Kenny.
On today's episode, we're going to talk about what's in your hookah base.
So on today's episode, we're going to be talking about what's in your hookah base. This is one of the most requested videos that we have on DMZ TV. A lot of people have been asking about it, so today we're gonna go ahead and talk about it.
All right.
So we're gonna show you like 3 little tricks that you can do to pimp out your hookah base. The first one is the floating balls.
All right, what do we got here? You gotta explain to me what we got here, because I saw this before in our last video.
Yes, so basically it's balls that will be floating while you're smoking hookah. And you know how the rumbling, it's still gonna move.
Yeah.
So we're gonna show you how to do it. Very simple. We're gonna go ahead and take these little balls. We're gonna go with white and black, or should I say clear and black. I recommend you to use nice clear water and make sure it's actually filtered. Like this is as filtered as it can get.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go ahead and put some water in here. Don't put too much, just enough. Put the water here to the side, here. So what we're gonna go, we're gonna go with 90% of clear balls, and then we're gonna go with 10% color balls, whatever color balls you have. We're gonna use for this one black balls.
So wait a minute. So these things over here started off as those little things right there?
That is correct.
Yo, that's wild, yo. Wow.
So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in some. Actually, let me see, because I don't want to stop it so it doesn't. You see, that's what I was doing. So we're gonna go ahead and just put in the little balls in there. So I'm just gonna eyeball it real quick. So here we go. So just for the demonstration, I'm gonna put that amount of clear ones, and then we're gonna go with just a pinch of the black ones, because like I said, it's 90% clear, 10% whatever color you want to use.
Then it look like they're floating there, like something. Got some sorcery to them.
Yeah, so basically it's like a floating type of thing. Now you're gonna have to leave it in water for about 4 to 5 hours.
Yeah.
What happens is these balls start absorbing the water and they start growing. So they start off small, but they actually grow up about, I think it's like 600% of their own size. And then they become that size. So we're gonna put this to the side. And then we're gonna go ahead and bring out the hookah. I need you to take off the top.
All right.
There we go.
Heavy duty.
That's heavy.
That's some legit stuff right there.
So here you see the clear, you know, you can't see nothing, but if you go ahead, you'll see there's clear ones and then there's also black ones in there.
Freedom.
And there we go. We're gonna add some more water in there because it's missing some water.
Yep.
There we go. That's perfect. All right, so here you can see the clear balls, they just totally disappear, and then what's left over is the black ones. So I'm gonna just go ahead and we're gonna put a bowl on top and we're gonna smoke it and show you how it looks when you're smoking it. All right? All right, so we got this hookah going. It's ready. It's all heat up. Now let's see how it looks with the little balls in there. But you can see, you know, the balls stay there like they're floating. And that's the whole effect of this. Putting this in the base is nice. You can change out the colors. You can make them red, green, blue, whatever. Ooh, look at those clouds. Well, now it's ready.
Okay. Try that. Let me try that.
I'm just teasing him right now.
Come on, yo. Don't do this to me, man. Oh, Jesus.
Go ahead, man.
My man.
There you go. Nice. Look at that, bro. Milky clouds.
Wow. Yo, I didn't expect all that.
All right, guys. So now, number 2, we're going to be using a gold effect. It's like a lava gold effect. You know what I use, you know, and a lot of people has been asking me how do you do that. So to do that, we use this gold powder. Now it's not cheap, so do not use too much of it. Be careful. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and open this baby up.
Careful.
Yeah, because this thing,
this is real gold. This is real gold we're using over here.
it's real gold.
13.
So we don't have any small spoons, so we're gonna use the back of this thing right here. Let's say it's Coke, you know.
Hey, whoa!
Ooh. So we're gonna use this amount. Let's try this amount. Let's put that in there. Maybe a little bit more. Let's go a little bit. You want to go a little bit more? Okay.
Wait. Look at this. Look at this.
Look at that. It's beautiful, huh?
Just a little bit. Just a little bit. There you go.
Little bump, like they say.
Look, I don't know nothing about none of that. All right.
All right. So now you go ahead and stir it a little bit. So I'm gonna put the link to all these products below. Well, actually in the description. Let me see if it needs a little bit. It might need a little bit, just a dash more. Yeah, but it's good. I think it just takes like a little minute for it to actually go.
That should be fine.
Yeah, that should be fine. Now there's another way to do it. I don't know if you remember how to do it.
What's that?
Just grab it and just.
Oh yeah, the old school way.
The old school way. So, as you can see how beautiful it looks, it goes around circles. I love it. A lot of people's been asking me what's in there, how do you do it? I said wait till the video comes out.
Y'all gotta wait.
And we'll find out. So, we're gonna go ahead and set up another bowl. And we're gonna try this one.
All right.
All right? Let's go ahead and liven this thing up. So that's okay. This is warming up. Let's get in there. But as you can see, you know, you see the little effect. It's like a lava effect, and it's done with the powder. Just don't use too much. If you use too much, it's just a waste. Yes. It's not cheap. So, all right, this flavor's not bad. Try it out. Yeah. So we're playing around with
Delicious.
Yeah.
You don't want to get, you know.
There
we go. Whoa.
Yeah, these clouds are a lot better, man. Nice. So there you have it, folks. That's the number 2 that you can use to pimp out your little hookah base. Of course, the girls love it. And it's great to have. I mean, it's not necessary, but if you want to, do something stylish with your base,
you want to stand out. You know?
Yeah. And I don't know if you guys can see, but there's lots of little bubbles in there. The reason for that is because we're using filtered water. The better the water, the better the quality of the oxygen inside the water. And also, you get rid of all those the white chemicals that, what do you call that?
The impurities.
Yeah. So you get rid of that. So that means you don't even have to clean out your base too much. I've been using this water and it's amazing. All right, so let's do the third one. So we filled it up with the filtered water in there. Yeah. Always try to use clear bases, so that way they can see exactly what's going on.
Not only that, you can see how much water you got in there.
As well, you can do that. Important. But for this one, it's very simple. It's not too crazy, but I've done it in some videos, and people has asked me what's in your base, and of course we're gonna go ahead and do it. So go ahead and put a shot of this. What we're using is a liqueur. This is the liqueur that we're using. it's gonna be a very, very light color. As you can see, what it does, because it has alcohol. Now, do not use anything that's above 20% because it'll actually, give a different flavor to whatever you're smoking. Yeah. So, but this actually has sour apple, so you're gonna have like a little hint of sour apple. But before we continue, let's have a little word from our sponsors.
Yeah, we don't have a sponsor for this video.
Let's go ahead and heat up the bowl.
All right, let's go.
And let's do the process with the smoke going in, and then you can actually taste the flavor of the liqueur. All right? Yeah, let's go. This is the third one. As you can see, it's a little green right now. If you want to put more, you can put like a shot more. I went with a lighter one. I normally go with mint. This is sour apple. I wanted to try something different. But the mint is a lot stronger, so it'll make it nice and green. Yeah. All right, so let me go ahead and try out, see how it is.
Here we go.
Oh, this is starting. See, these clouds are going. Woo, try this, man. Okay. Oh. So yeah, so it gives it a little taste of the sour apple in there. But the thing is that it's a small percentage. You can say about in flavoring, about 10% difference in flavoring. What do you think? It's nice, huh?
Yeah.
Well, there you have it, folks. We did on the first one, of course, the number one was with the floating balls. The second one was this one, and that's actually with the gold. I could have gone with a little bit more gold, I was kind of stingy with the gold, but I could have gone with a little bit more gold. And the last one, of course, we just went with a liqueur. You can have blue curacao, you can put mint, and then there's a sour apple. I believe there's another one called cherry, but there's different ones. It's better than using food coloring, because food coloring doesn't do much to it. But you throw this inside, it gives it a little extra flavor. And it's nice because it has alcohol and it has like a little heaviness in the water. Woo. Oh, nice little clouds there. So there you have it, folks. This has been an episode of What's in Your Base. There's a lot of things that we also we're gonna do in the future. Other things that you can put in the base. Like a lot of people just throw in ice in there. There's other ways of throwing things in there that also is like ice and make it look a little better. So if you guys know any tricks or anything like that you can use for in your base, let us know in the comments below. And of course, if you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button.
Subscribe also, if you haven't yet.
If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell on top so then you'll be notified for any new videos coming out. So this is DMZ TV. My name is Dutch.
My name is Kenny.
Until the next time, and we are out.
Yo, Dutch, how was your weekend, bro?
Oh, my weekend? It was good, bro. Let me tell you.
Yo, hold on. Let me tell you what happened to me. I just remembered this, man. All right, so I'm at the Hookah Lounge. I went during lunch. I'm minding my own business. I'm smoking it by myself, right? All of a sudden, I run into my boy, Julio, right? And Julio was like, because he don't speak that much English, he's like, yo, I come smoking at La Hookah with you, right? I'm like, of course, man. That's no problem, right? He's like, yo, but then I brought a girl with me, right? And then, and he's like, yo, she could smoke too, right? All of a sudden, he knew how to speak perfect English at that point, right? Weirdest thing. So then, I'm like, bring her, right? I didn't know she brought her whole family, right? Yeah, like 17 sisters, cousins, none of them look good, man. That was the problem, because if they look good, at least, I'll be like, all right, cool, you know what I'm saying? But they're all smoking, they're taking pictures with my hookah, you know what I'm saying? And then more people start coming in, All of a sudden, somebody ordered a bottle on my account, because then these people don't bring no money, right? These are my friends. I need new friends. Yo, help me find some new friends with money, man, because these people are crazy, man. And let me tell you something, man. Don't be bringing people around me. I told him, right? And don't be smart. Don't be bad.